want to come to expand our business. We're looking at growing quite a large niches and different brands, and this gave us the opportunity to see a lot of products in a very short period of time.
I think it also is helpful that you can walk past a retailer and you can look at products you haven't even thought about before, and it just puts ideas in your head, and I think that's really helpful.
We ended up with 2 bags full of samples by the end of today. Very surprised on how many samples we got and how they were happy to give them to us, as well as promotion. The products, we probably end up with about 30 at least of products that we really have got a very keen interest, and we've probably locked down 15. It was an amazing week with everybody from all different fields, all different walks of life, all different ages, and everybody just got along really, really well, and we all just fed off each other for information, but also helped each other. And the whole experience in China has been amazing. I would highly recommend coming to the Canton Fair. It is an experience that you will never ever forget. We have seen and heard and been exposed to a whole different world that I never knew existed.
Going to Canton Fair really makes you think about what the business is you're actually getting into, and just opens your eyes up to a lot of different possible products.